So in the previous video, I show you that how to call a corresponding view. Now I will show you how to pass the data to that specific view. So it is very easy. First, we have to go to the controller, and this controller view method is the one which loads the entire content. So I will simply declare a parameter, a default parameter as data that stores all the relevant uh, data that is need to be passed to that corresponding view. Okay, so this is basically associative array. So no matter how, no matter what we declare inside this data and pass it to the corresponding view, inside this corresponding view we can call that specific data. So for example, I will simply go to this pages, and as I have shown you before, as I have shown you before, I'm taking a name as a parameter. So I can simply store it inside an associative array. So for example, let's say username, and I will store it like this, and I will pass this associative array to this method, and this method will take that data and render the corresponding content, and inside the corresponding content, in my case it's view about, I can call that uh, associative array content. So this is about hi, maybe let's say, so it's a PHP object. I have to call it as PHP echo data and view, not view, username, right? Username. So if I go to the web browser and load it, Dhanushka will be there. So likewise, you can take anything. For instance, let's say age I'm also getting, so I will simply specify usage, then age. So age will be passed over here, and I will call h2 maybe, and I'm using the PHP object echo data usage PHP, right? If I go to here, load it, okay, and now it says uncaught error because I am passing only the Dhanushka parameter, but if I specify another parameter like 22, then it will execute it like this. Okay, so the I can pass any amount of parameter like this and call those parameters inside this corresponding view. Okay, so that's how we are going to pass data to the corresponding view uh, through the controller. Okay, so for this episode I think these stuffs are enough, and I will show more interesting things in the next video. Thank you.